gorgeous, it's your girl Kimchi Warrior Princess here, and today we're talking ladies heels, specifically INEZ Truly Comfortable Heels. Quick reminder, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe link below. You'd be helping me out big time. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Kimchi Warrior Princess. Alright, so let's get to these heels. So first up, we have the INEZ Sofia in the pink lizard emboss, as they call it, although it's definitely more of like a tan color, I would say. I have definitely worn these so much. I wanted to do a review after I had actually like walked many miles in these. I definitely wore these walking uphill in San Francisco, like a couple miles on my birthday with my girlfriends, and these are so comfy. These are my favorite heels to wear. They're definitely like super pricey, but to me it's definitely worth it because these have replaced literally like 10 crappy heels that I've had. Here, I'll get up close so that you can see the details of these. So you can see like the quality of it where like, let me get on the inner side. So there's definitely like arch support here. It's got some padding that regular heels don't have. Also, the heel is quite low compared to, I don't know, crazy stilettos I've worn in my past, which I've given up because I'm not like 19 or 20 and I can actually feel pain in my feet now. These are ultra comfy. They're real leather. It says leather sole on the bottom. It looks kind of gross on the bottom, but I'll just show you anyway because that's real life. So that's how they look on the bottom. I definitely wish they had it in like a regular tan color without the emboss, but I kind of do like this. Maybe I can insert a photo or something where I'm actually wearing it because you think it might like stick out too much against my pasty legs, but it actually like blends in nicely, I think, with many different skin tones. These are a 7M. I do believe they have 3 different widths that they have. With the open shoe, I got the regular 7, and I'll show you in a minute too the pumps that I got. I believe I got those in a 6.5 wide. Mostly because I have a bunion on my left foot. When it's in like an open sandal like this, I'm not as concerned, but when it's like closed in and like a pump is, that's when I'm more concerned about like pinching and all that. So these are literally my favorite heels, period. I'm gonna get these in probably in black, and they have this beautiful like green, Tiffany green color. It's not really a Tiffany color, it's just a beautiful green. Emerald green, yeah, that's it. I can go on forever and ever about these, but these are so good. You don't need to insert anything to make these any better. All right, so onto the pump next. So here we have the Lola in the Almond Napa, I believe that's the name of it. I got these in a 6.5 wide, and the cool thing about this company is that they allow you to order a backup size, and then they give you the shipping label that's prepaid to ship back the size that did not work out for you. So I ordered these in a 7 regular. I'm normally a straight up 7, but for some reason these the 7 had like a little gap behind my heel, so I ended up going for the 6.5. They did say that you should fit the heel based upon the length, and then the width will stretch out over time, especially with genuine leather. That's how it typically will work. So you always want to make sure that the length fits at the beginning, and then the width will come over time. Out of all the pointy toe pumps I've worn for work, these are it. These are the best ones, more so than the Antonia Saint New York heels. That's why I wanted to make this video, because I just did one on the top workwear shoes, and I feel like this one beats the Antonia Saint New York heels just because I actually like the shorter heel length, and then also they're not as bulky or thick with all that extra padding, which is like good. I mean, for me it's good because I feel like I didn't need all of that. It was like so thick of padding. One thing I can say though is that they're fragile. Like, look at that tear. It makes me so sad, but I mean, there's not much I can do about this. If you know how to fix this, drop me a comment. They're buttery soft on the inside. If you do have a bunion, it could potentially rub up a little. You could see kind of, there's like a little crease though where mine is. It wasn't much of an issue though. I just don't think I can wear these for like 12-hour work days. I could definitely wear these for a night out, a regular work day. I'd say my time limit on this would be like 8 hours. And that would have to be like stop and go, not like 8 hours walking non-stop. These are super soft inside. They bend. They're just like, they're grippy enough. You're not gonna be sliding around on different like floors, pavements, tile, anything like that. I was considering getting another Everlane day heel just because mine were so beat up from wearing them so much, but I'm glad I ventured out to try these. They are pricier than Everlane heels, but I feel like it's worth the investment. Again, INEZ has like proven to actually be like legit comfy heels. They put padding in there, there's arch support. I do feel like these compared to the sandals, I feel like there's a little bit more pressure on the ball of my foot. I might try those Vivian Leigh gel inserts in here because I love those things in another pair of shoes that I got. I don't know if it'll help or make it not as nice because already these are about as comfortable as a pump can get and even more than the Antonia Saint heels. All right, that sums it up, ladies. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below. Also, a reminder to subscribe to my channel, and also you can turn on the notifications so that as soon as there's a new video, you'll be the first one to watch it. And you can follow me on Insta at kimchiwarriorprincess. All right, thanks.